But here's where it gets controversial. OpenAI has announced its first-ever office in India, expanding its team across the country. CEO Sam Altman confirmed his second visit to the nation, emphasizing India's growing role in AI innovation. However, the company has also revealed its recruitment details: 3 positions for account director roles in the sales department. These roles include digital natives, strategics, and large enterprise, each requiring technical expertise, strategic vision, and a commitment to helping customers harness AI's impact. The description for the large enterprise role highlights the blend of technical understanding, business acumen, and value-driven strategies. To apply, applicants can visit OpenAI's career page, filter by India, and submit their resume. The company claims India now leads globally in ChatGPT usage, offering a competitive pricing model, e.g., $399 for the India-exclusive ChatGPT Go. Meanwhile, Sam Altman praised India's potential as a global AI leader, stating the country boasts strong tech talent, a robust ecosystem, and government support through the India AI mission.